How to sync CapCut project across devices. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you sync CapCut projects across devices. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open CapCut on your device. So simply you have to open the app CapCut. Alright, so after you open the CapCut, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on your profile. Okay, so from here you can log in with your Google ID or something Facebook. So make sure you are logged in with your account. So after there, you'll have to go with the option library. So simply tap on the library. Okay, so from here you can see all of your project that you have been doing or that you have did. So from here you can know it. And now on the another hand, you'll got options like Cloud Sync or Sync project on your CapCut. So you have to turn that feature on there, and after there you will be able to see this feature like space. So from here you can know your cloud storage. So and after that you'll have to just create a project by tapping on this create icon. So simply tap on it, and now from here you can create a project on CapCut and sync that project on this account. So after syncing your project across your ID, you'll be able to download that video from another device by logging with your that account. So from there you can easily sync your CapCut project across devices. So there is no any compromise like in quality and effects on the editing. So this is the simplest and easiest method to sync CapCut project across devices. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.